Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to edit quiz in Moodle. It's a very simple and easy process, so let's get started. First of all, on your phone, make sure you've already downloaded the Moodle app. Once you download the app, launch the app on your phone. After you are in the app, enter the URL of Moodle site of your school. Once you enter the URL, you will see a list of sites over here. Choose the correct site of your school and tap on it. Now, in order to edit the quiz, you need to be logged in as a teacher. So if you have a teacher account, enter your username and your password to log in. Once you are logged in, you will see this dashboard. You can access different courses over here. From the given list, you can select any courses, just tap on it. Once you are in the course page, find the quizzes section. Here you can see the quizzes section, tap on it. You can see many quizzes of different subjects. You can go to any quizzes, just tap on it. Here, you can preview the quiz. You can view all the questions. If you want to edit anything about this quiz, here you can see the settings option, tap on it. Now here you can edit different sections of your quiz. You can change the name, you can change the description, you can change the timing, you can change the grades. There are different editing options. You can go through it and make the necessary changes. And once you go through all these editings, if you are done, you can tap on this save button and all the changes you made were saved. That's how you can edit any settings of your quiz. So that's it. That's how you can edit options of your quizzes in your Moodle account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.